Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Pre-Market Analysis Live on YouTube, on the Successful Tradings channel. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, what the last 24 hours. If you were not with us yesterday, well, we had a fan appreciation yesterday where we spent almost, wasn't quite 2 hours, but from let's say 2:30 Eastern all the way to 4 past 4:15 and the last drop of SPY. We tried to do our thing on SPY, but hey, they didn't go. But hey, we live to try another day. Uh, uh, so that's okay. So welcome this morning, folks. We continue here at Successful Trading to bring you the education and the knowledge you want. If you are new, this is your first time, let me give you reasons, maybe a couple of reasons, maybe, on why you should subscribe to our channel and make it a point to find the time if achieving, let's say, financial independence to trading, it's one of your objectives, right? I'm just taking a shot on here on why you have to have a reason why you are doing this, why you are trading. So really ask yourself, take the time, sit back this weekend, for instance, say, hey, why you are doing this. That's going to give you the motivation to take the necessary step to do the work that's needed. Because yes, let's be honest about it, there's work to be done. Yeah, it's one thing. Definitely successful trading is not your typical, hey, I sign up for a subscription trade alert, they're gonna text me um, a trade that I'm gonna be taking. I have no idea where the trades are coming from and whatever. Or really, no, no, that's not our style. For us, we want to educate you. We want to give you the knowledge, the skills for you to make money out of these markets. How will we be doing that? We have a blog, successfultradings.com. We have a YouTube channel where we have free resources for you. And when you sign up for a subscription, we give you free coaching such that you are empowered to have the skills on a morning like this, on any given day when you wake up, you have a high probability of making money. Basically, we want you to be your own boss. Really, that's what it is. It's not about, oh, signing up and then we are feeding you things. Yeah, we do a little bit of that, but really, after a month or here or so, there are certain things that for me, I'm definitely gauging the progress of traders, and those who are picking up the speed, you can see that translates in your results. Results, typically sometimes in trading, we look at the result through our balance account, but it's not always that. It's not always that. So really, I want you to ask yourself, starting today, as it's not random that you are here at this very time. It is what? It is 8:47 Eastern time. I don't know what you're doing. It's 5:47 for me. So I know my reason why I'm up so early. I'm in Southern California, so other people are in other parts of the world. Um, what is your reason for doing this? The goal is to give you the motivation and to understand that, hey, this is worth your while and for you to be reaping the benefits later on. So glad that you made it. I mean, we are a tiny channel. We haven't been around for that long. We hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube yesterday, miraculously. So it's a long story. I mean, I could be writing a book about all that experience, but just for me, the part that, hey, when I wake up in the morning and even if there's five, we have been mornings here where there are 5 people. Yeah, it's okay. For me, I just say, hey, if I can only influence uh, through the little knowledge that I have about the markets and impact just one person's life, then my goal is achieved. So we want you folks through this to think of successful trading as your one-stop shop to get your trading education. We trade options because the barrier to entry is not as high as stocks. You don't need thousands of dollars. And the way that we approach our trading, you will find that actually you don't need that much money. Through some of our patented strategy that we definitely believe that they are very efficient. We have statistics to back that up, and not that many people are doing the same thing there. If you come to our Discord channel, we have those statistics are posted. Those statistics are posted on our YouTube channel. So again, 2 places for you for resources. This YouTube channel has over 300 videos illustrated our technique, how we make money out of the market. a blog with full education how you go about not knowing anything about trading and learning from scratch. Yeah, that's our mission on here, and that's my job. If you decide to subscribe to a service, that's my job to take you there. And how do I know it works? I've seen it works on some people as early as, I don't know, it depends on anybody learning curve, right? That trader this week, they have been here for a week, and they were making 10 baggers, the so-called 10 baggers that you guys see on the video. So well, because at the end of the day, they are acquiring a skill. So if you have a skill, guess what? That skill will help you set your life. And the market is open 5 days a week for the most part, not counting holidays. And trust me, there are so many opportunities. So ask yourself, what are the skills that you possess, or what skills do you want to master, and we'll help you through that. So, being a jack of all trades, it's not always the best way, because in the market, trust me, you can become a one-trick pony and really make it big. I kid you not. We have this one strategy that we started teaching here in September. I guarantee I will put it to test, or ask when you get to our Discord, ask those who have been around that what's the effectiveness of that strategy. So so that's what we want to do. On the way we do that, definitely we dedicate ourselves, we study the markets, and we take advantage of the theory of an efficient market. You know that the market is not efficient, so exuberance drives the market. Hence, if you are well positioned, like my friend Mr. Ali, who just joined in the live chat, ask Mr. Ali, folks. Somebody ask Mr. Ali how long he has been with successful trading and what has been his week so far. Because me telling you that is something, but you see, Mr. Ali, the gentleman with the login, or the nickname Ali, that who just joined literally as I'm speaking right now. Yeah, find a way to ask him his experience. He hasn't been here for long, but I'm sure he will give you. Ask him what he did last weekend, for instance. All right, very good. Let's dive into this pre-market analysis through the stock market technical analysis. So we like to take usually a 30,000 feet view, looking at the market, the overall market, through the lens of, let's say, the main indexes, SPY, QQQ, namely. So for that, I'm going to switch. I'm going to just share a Power E and not Power E Trade trading view on here. This is one of the first things that we do here. So if right now you're looking at this and doesn't ring a bell, hey, I've been trading, but how do I get my chart exactly like yours? Oh, fantastic. That's a great question, and I'm glad you asked, because I'm going to just come here and tell you that, hey, you go to Successful Trading YouTube channel and you tap in Trading View. I don't even, well, this one I don't need to tap in anything, because that's the video that was created yesterday. If I can spell here, Trading View. Yeah, so you see this first video here, how to set up Trading View chart, custom setup. Yep, that's the video for you. So let me do something here. I can actually, because this one we were getting this question for so long. Let me get the link of it and paste it in the chat, because sooner or later somebody is going to be needing that skill, because we have a lot of newcomers based that's where I see. So that video, we're gonna say that video to set up Trading View. Trading View is a free trading chart, right? So you don't need to spend any money to get it. So Trading View, to set up Trading View charts, we take you step by step. It is a very easy. I mean, the video is what, 11 minutes, 10 minutes long, but really it's because I'm making sure in the video that, hey, I'm showing every single thing, how to do this, how to do that, how to do that, how to do that. So that will get you square. And when you subscribe to our service, definitely in your we send you a nice email. We call it onboarding email, and we detail everything that you need to know in order for you to start making money. All of them through short videos that educates you to say, hey, set this thing up, this is how we do this is how we take a trade, and you go from there. All right, so 30,000 feet view. Yeah, that's what we were going for, and then we took the opportunity to talk about the view that you are seeing here inside of TradingView tool. So again, it's a free tool. You can just go to TradingView and get that. Okay, pre-market on SPY. SPY is gapping down a little bit. Yesterday, the move, we gapped up, but the move wasn't really that much. It was boring. It was a boring day yesterday. I was telling in yesterday evening coaching session, I was telling somebody that I didn't take a trade until 3 p.m. when we got together and we're trying to set up that trade here, but they fake us out and it didn't go. But we took the calls, so now they are gapping it down. So let's see. SPY has to do something on here today overall. I mean, the trend, if we return to the daily here, the trend, you see the slope of the exponential moving average 8 again. If you are new, don't worry about it. We will explain what each and every line is in the video that I just pasted in the live chat. So that's an important video for you, because every morning we perform stock market technical analysis daily here. Yeah. So meaning we look at chart, and oh yeah, by the way, that's your opportunity. If you want us to take a look at a chart, we may not have that much time this morning, just because I want to spend time giving you trades. Yeah, because some of you come here, you want trade, you want, hey, does this guy here, does he have some good trade today? Yeah, we do. we do. We did our homework. If the market is moving, folks, there are always trade. So but typically by 9 Eastern, when you come in pre-market, first of all, I want to really take the time. I'm really sorry that I'm jumping back and forth, but ask yourself, how much time are you putting in the preparation for you to make money in the market? Really, let's be honest with ourselves, right? So if we take a step back, answer part of those questions. So ask yourself this weekend or tonight, hey, am I really taking the step to be successful in the market? I'm going to be making a video shortly, I think, maybe not today, but really by the end of the weekend, about this topic, because that's something that I think it's at the core of which that we are doing. So I want to take the time to do that. So again, content's going to, all of our content on the channel, YouTube channel, is to help you as a beginner or even a proven veteran at trading this market. What is it that you are doing or you can be doing to take your trading to the next level? You will hear us say that thing a lot. Taking your trading to the next level. That level, you define it. You define where is that level, and how you define that, you're going to say, hey, I want to get this much out of the market. That much, it's a quantitative dollar a month. Let's say each week, because reasonable, or each month, yeah, for you. And then ask yourself the question, what are you willing to take? So one of those things is, hey, in pre-market, there's some homework to be done, yeah? Meaning, how do I identify trades that I'm going to be taking? Yes, here you come at successful trading. Yes, successful trading gives you trades, yes, but further than that, I mean, how long do you envision successful trading giving you trade, or any other subscription service by that matter? Hence, for us, our approach is really, let's teach people how to be fully independent, because the techniques, the skills that you're going to acquire, trust me, they are going to be helpful to you for life. All right, so SPY yesterday didn't move that much. This morning they're gapping down by 1 point. Not much, but the trend has been bullish last week, right? So far we traded 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, where it was bearish a little bit, but Monday was bearish from the open because big red candle, right? But yesterday, really, the last couple of days from the open to the close, well, Tuesday was a little bit, how many points down here? 355 to 355 points, okay, but not really. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't bad. That's some scalping. Yesterday, not much. Nothing happened yesterday on SPY. QQQ move a little bit more yesterday. Yeah, so QQQ move open to 86 or to 85.92, so 4 points thereabout, but it wasn't fluid. No, actually, they say it wasn't. Look at this. This is the 15-minute chart. Yeah, it was pushing. It wasn't with conviction or anything. But this morning, QQQ is the one that's showing some type of positive move because it's now trading above 290. So if this trend is to continue, should therefore, as we shared with you that yesterday, 300 is that round number that they could be aiming for Friday. And if you don't know, typically on Friday, they can be doing it very late, meaning patience is one of the other skills that we teach you around here because the markets always reward the patience. Speaking of patience, let me switch screen on here. Let's talk about the stock because there's so much to be taught on this one. I'm not sure if TradingView is doing a good job of showing us what the pre-market is. The stock we are looking at is Win. This is not a stock that we are unfamiliar with here at Successful Trading. This stock we identified last Friday, and it gapped big time on Monday. Big time, yeah, to the point where the options on there pay, the call option paid 1700% or more than that even, because I was sharing a snapshot yesterday with my good friend Golden Sachs. Yeah, we have a trader. The handle is Golden Sachs. So those options pay significantly. You can see that in our Discord room. Everything is on Discord room. But from there, obviously there was an opportunity to day trade that on that day using our patented Gangster strategy. If you don't know what that strategy is, well, that's a reason. It's so reason for you to sign up. I guarantee you that. So there was about a $10 move between the open and the high. A $10 move on a Monday, that's money. Meaning, even if we miss this, right? Because in order for you to take advantage of this, you will have needed to enter the trade on Friday. That's a topic that, trust me, I have some thoughts onto it. I'm gonna be making some modification because more and more traders, rightfully, they are bringing a point on there. So let me try. I already have ideas how for us we can make it a little bit more likely to take advantage of this gap, because these gaps, they happen, and when you see something like that, oh, we are trading this stock this week, but from Monday, look at it gap. But the one thing that it's definitely still within our hands as of now, my friend, yes, we may have missed the gap. There is no telling, well, even if we do Monday morning quarterbacking, that this stock was going to do that. But what did we do after that? Yeah, opportunity number one on Monday, Gangster trade it, yeah, $10 move on the calls, ching ching. But from there, look at this. From a technical point of view, now if you tell me that, oh, Telex, my technical analysis is not that great or anything, fine. How about Tuesday? Yeah, the stock went from 105 and then the next day is open to 100. If you got involved on here, first of all, if you got involved on Monday, guess what? We teach you here at Successful Trading how we carry position overnight. Meaning, I guarantee you that if you were trading this on Monday, no way you'll say you didn't get any money from this downtrend here. But further than that, we even went out of our way to specifically to give traders a trade on Win, right? So that's what I want to talk about. That trade on Win was calling for the 90 put and the 105 call. That was literally at the close on Tuesday. I apologize. It was super late. My bad. I need to do better on that to give people time, at least 30 minutes or something. This was literally the last 2 minutes. So if you took that trade, congratulations. But my point is here how to manage that trade. That was our conversation last night with my friend Golden Sachs. Because we get into trade, folks, yeah, we start making some money. Now, some money between you and me, it's relative, because some money, let's look in terms of percentage gain. So it's 100% some money that you're going to close your position with 2 days left of trading. We usually recommend here having at least 3 contracts when you're in a position, if you can. Yeah, why? Because then you start making money. You take what we call partial profits, meaning you sell, maybe you have 3 contracts, you sell one of them, you keep the other 2. If a profit continue, you sell another one. But definitely, as time is left in option, because you will still have today and tomorrow. So one thing that traders have been giving feedback, hey, Telex, those options were too expensive. Let's say, okay, you got into them. Let's say maybe in this case, they were 60 cents. I don't know, yesterday they went maybe to $1.20 or something. That's 100%. But in our system, folks, 100% you will learn, believe it or not. I'm sorry to say that, because then someone will say, what is this guy think? You will see inside of the Discord the average percentage that traders make on trades, right? 100%, it's okay, but it's not like, whoa, yeah? We have gotten how many? 50 10 baggers in 24 weeks here. So 10 baggers is 900% a profit. Yeah. So my point is that how do you approach this trade? You find a way to get involved. And listen, folks, this is very teaching moment on here, because yesterday we spent so much time on with Goldman Sachs. I made it a point that I need to make sure that knowledge is there. As a trend it starts on a stock, right? You can trade a cheaper option in that same direction. Meaning, if you decide yesterday that you wanted to sell your 90 puts, yeah, find a way to buy cheaper contract. Let's say, I don't know, for me, I will definitely go here, or either apply the ATR technique. If you don't know what the ATR technique, the moment I finish this sentence, I'm going to go to the YouTube channel, find that video on how to pick a strike price, because that's another question. I want to challenge our traders who have been with us for a while. Are you still finding yourself wondering what strike price you should be using? We have published a video on there. If that video is not clear to you, ask us that question so that we can go over it with you on your one-on-one coaching. It's free. Yeah. Our calendar is online. You set up a session. We come together, you and me, and you tell me, hey, I want to further understand this topic A, B, C, D. And we do that. That's what we do here. It's part of giving you the skills and the technical knowledge such that you are fully independent, because those same skills, folks, guess what? You can apply them on any stock. You don't only have to rely on, hey, the stock that Telex AI is showing. They're very powerful. Don't get me wrong. They're very powerful. We take that. But if you want to take your trading to the next level, right? Meaning that opportunities, not every day that Telex AI stocks will be the one moving. There are many other ways to make money in this market. But you need those skills. One of those skills is how to get an ATR, how to pick a strike price. So for me, let me go here very quickly and search a video. Strike price. Yep, this is the video. It's actually a very popular video, believe it or not, though somebody trusted it on YouTube. It's an 8 minutes and 47-second video, and the title of it, how to pick an option strike price using ATR indicator. I'm going to copy that link on my off screen and come here in the screen with you guys and do Control V. So that's video in how to pick a strike price. I guarantee you the video is 8 minutes. Can you find 8 minutes this weekend to master that skill? All right, as I was talking, oh my goodness, so many people join. I need to say hello to everybody, really, because that's what we do here. Hello, Mr. Andrew, Mr. B, good morning, Mr. Brian. Who did I miss? So I'm seeing some new folks here. Well, welcome everybody. Comfort Chat Live Coaching. I like the name. Good morning. Don Betty, please, if you would like to, you have said hello. If you would like to tell us where you are trading from, we like to do that. We like to give shout out here. I mean, whatever part of the world. We have people trading in Europe. We have people trading in Asia. We have people trading from the Middle East. I am in Southern California in the US, and obviously we have people all over the US. So, good morning, everybody. Let me go through the list here. Marcos, good morning. We said Brian, welcome. Mr. Andrew, Mr. Don, good morning. Oh, while we are saying at it, sorry, I get distracted so much. We are looking for Mr. Bernard Berlet. Yeah, he is a winner of our giveaway yesterday to receive a full access to our trading services for until the end of the year. That was one of the winners. The second winner was Mr. Danny Louis. I'm assuming it's a Mr. And the other one was already a trader who is already signed up with our system, Dr. HRVC, but he goes by Texas Sales. All right, so we continue on here. Hey, bonjour, Monsieur Mickey, comment ça va? We said hello to Mr. Andrew already, Mr. Ali. Yeah, Golden Sachs is my friend who I was referring to. She's here this morning. African Mama, what ticker is that? Oh, African Mama. Okay, African Mama. I have to laugh. I know I'm familiar with African Mama. She has been here for a while, but I was thrown away. How did I recognize that? Because she changed. Everybody changed their name, right? African Mama has a different name in our Discord room, and on here I saw African Mama. I was like, oh, hopefully not somebody from my Well, it could be anybody, but the picture girl. Okay, nicely done, nicely done. Mr. Bakari, hello, Miss Dora. All right, so okay, so we pasted that link how to pick a strike price for your options. We were talking about win. Oh yeah, yeah. I know why people are asking that question. My bad. Okay, the chart wasn't doing it. The chart, you were not able to see the chart fully. So we were talking about win. So yeah, the technique consists of picking. You can sell your option. You can close your option that's made you money. In this case, if let's say you don't want to risk that, it's part of risk management, and buy a cheaper contract in the same direction. That's how you go about doing that. Same thing if let's say stock start moving and you missed on that. Yeah, for those who are inside of our Discord, aka Workday 2 weeks ago, the stock has moved 400%. The contract were worth maybe $1 something. You say, oh, maybe I don't have the capital in my account right now for to buy a contract at $1, but I can still get involved in that trade by picking a cheaper strike in the direction of the trade. Yes, yes. So that technique puts it as parts in your bag of tricks, such that you can use that accordingly. Basically, for us on here, the philosophy is a stock is moving, we have a way to trade it. Yeah, because we know how to make money when the stock is going down, and we know how to make money when the stock is going up. So this morning, folks, the point is what? What's the point? Right now, we gave that trade on Tuesday. Well, first of all, if you didn't get involved on Monday by yourself, but we gave that trade on Tuesday at 96.66 high, because it was literally around the close. Yeah, 96.66 it closed out. You took a strangle on it, but now yesterday, yeah, the option maybe they double. But now, folks, look at pre-markets. Win is trading at $89.70, meaning it's in the money. Always figure, folks, that Wednesday, Thursday is our payday. We have a payday on Friday as well, meaning that's where we have opportunity to make money. Why? Because we trade weekly options. As the week progresses, time passes by, options become cheaper. That's a theory that we will be teaching you as well on here. So if let's say you were trading win, definitely congratulations, because those options being in the money within just the first 15 minutes, trust me, that's how the stock market operates. They can put a deep low here of a couple of dollars and you'll find that just that position go bloom. But my friend, even right now as I'm speaking, do not be a fool and say that, oh, I missed the trade. Yeah, there's a trend coming. At least this thing will it bounce off of the exponential moving average yellow line here, moving average 8 period. Yeah, so do not see this type of thing, because this trend, folks, could continue all the way to the green line. And how will you know? You wouldn't know until unless you take the trade. So it's not out of the blue. If you apply your ATR technique, most likely could lead you that we have 2 days of trading left, right? So the 80 puts, I'm looking at them like blinking with my eyes. Could I chocolate gangster trade them? If you don't know what a chocolate gangster trade is, that's okay. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as a first step. Maybe you are not ready to subscribe to our service, our subscription service. But even if you subscribe only to our YouTube channel, guess what, folks? Because we talk about it enough on here, you will understand how we go about taking advantage of a moving stock. That's exhibit number 1. Exhibit number 2, this morning, it's another stock that's for us we had, our system for whatever reason was very powerful this week again. So the other stock that I want, a similar stock, I want pretty much the same pattern, folks. Hello, have you seen this? This is Royal Caribbean. Yeah, again, if you did not get involved on Monday, fine, but it wasn't because the stock gapped up and oh, you missed the trade. No, the stock was moving, meaning opportunity to get involved. Personally, I've shared it with traders on here. This is like my favorite trick, right? I love trading this stock that gap up and trade outside of the Bollinger Band, because when a stock does this, only 2 things can happen. Does it have enough momentum? So when it shows me something like this, I'm all over it, meaning it faced resistance here. That's why this upper shadow or upper wick meaning at this point here, there were no more buyers, only sellers. And then now this thing is retracing. It's retracing to the point where right now in pre-market is down minus 4%, $3, and trading at $67.90. Yeah, trading view is bugging here. I'm not sure that this is the most correct information. So could this thing potentially come and test support? That's supports at yellow line 66. Yeah. So stock movings are your friend. And here for us, maybe my last order here, we will teach you outside of even our own stock that we are trading, how to find any type of stock that's moving and apply our patented vanilla or there is a vanilla gangster trade technique and there is a chocolate gangster trade technique. Crazy, right? So those are the things that I wanted to leave. And then where do we transition this from here? It's currently 9:14 Eastern time. The traders inside of the Discord room already have the trade that we are recommending this morning. Let me share that with everybody quickly here. If I can go inside of our Discord, let's see here, because we shared that even before we started the show in pre-market. So that's one of the advantage of being a subscriber to our service. You get trades before everybody else. Somebody just put something inside of the winner's room. Oh my goodness. Ho, Mr. Greg. Hey, thank you, sir, for posting your wins. Okay, I don't even know if I should be doing this right now. But sorry, I just saw that. Okay, folks, here is a veteran of our system who's just posted his wins yesterday. Oh, here's another person who posted their wins. Yeah, well, I don't know if I'm revealing. Oh, that was from October 29. Oh, that's November 12. But you have a section here inside of our Discord. But that's not what we came here for. We came here for because Telex. Give people what they came here for. Nonsense, Telex. People are like, come on, man. It's 15 minutes before the open of the market. This guy is blah, blah, blah. He's not giving any trades. All right, here we go. Without any further ado, so we said that win is still actionable. Win is one of those crazy stock, folks, where the spread can be nasty, but that's fine, right? For us, we can take advantage of nasty spread, meaning wide open spread, a gap between the bid and the ask on the option because of this strategy. That's we call a gangster trade, vanilla or chocolate, right? So this morning, RCL, again, folks, if you are new, I know that we have new people who are joining. If this doesn't make sense at all, that is okay. Just tell yourself, hey, this guy, he has something he calls vanilla and gangster and chocolate trade. Yeah, let me subscribe to his channel. Let me go check out his website at Successful Trading. If I have the means of subscribing to his service, I will do that, and I will be ready in how much time? We are Thursday today. You sign up today, folks, I guarantee you will be ready to trade on Monday. How do I know that? Because I've seen it happen. Ask Mr. Ali. Ask Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali is like my best marketing gimmick right now. Anything that I say, I just say, hey, go ask Mr. Ali. Actually, Mr. Ali is not the only one in that case. There is another person who joined pretty much at the same time as Mr. Ali, and his approach was, hey, Telex say that let's go ahead and use paper trading. So he honed his skill on the paper trading, and then he started putting, well, he was getting the 10 and 20 baggers on his paper trading, and then last Friday he did something just, he bought contract for 1 cent, he sold them for 30 cents. All of that is inside of the Discord. Okay, very quickly here, Telex, enough nonsense. RCL November 13, we are chocolate gangster trading this one, and folks, yeah, this is just me doing that, but obviously nothing is precluding anybody, right, those who know how to trade gangster trade, to say, hey, the nominal limits here is 1 cent. You can do both, right? Both is just putting in orders. Yeah, you put in orders, you get a feel, fantastic. It's not because I'm saying 5 cents that, hey, you have absolutely to do 5 cents or 15 cents. Yeah, we want to get them as cheaply as possible. So, but if you don't put in the order, you will never get the entry. So be mindful of that. Yeah, I just have to put something here. Otherwise, my instruction could be longer than that. Oh, I want 15 cents because that's the other variation, right? So for us, chocolates, we go fixed price and we are varying the strike price. Vanilla is the opposite, yeah, where we fix the strike and we vary the limit order. So, but in this case, because right now people will be telling me, hey, Telex, we are not doing the 1 cent anymore. You are empowered. Remember that word. That's word of the day here, right? You are empowered when you master the skills to do whichever that you so fit to take advantage of this market. So RCL, we are targeting for 5 cents the calls. And why are we doing 5 cents on the call? Because the direction right now, the stock is down what? The stock is down almost 4%. Yeah, it's trading at $68. Okay, that's why our offering on the call size is cheaper, and 15 cents on the direction of the puts. But hey, if let's say you cannot get them for 50 cents and you are resolute into fixing the 15 cents, pick a lower strike, meaning 57, 58, and the like. That's the philosophy behind a chocolate gangster strategy. Similarly, JD has been moving in pre-market, but I have to, what can I tell you other than which that you are seeing? So targeting 10 cents, those series of puts and those series of call. JD has been fading, folks, yeah, because it was up in early pre-market by almost 6%. So typically, if we believe that, yeah, that would be the bias direction. But really, you don't need to bias it. We were Thursday, you get a feel on it, and even with my tap out there, so it sends. You get a feel, and you can sit chilly. Again, for those who are new, please, 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 do not take any chance if you don't understand what these instructions are. We will teach you about them at a later time. All right, folks, I think I have done enough for one morning. Okay, thank you everybody for coming up. Oh my goodness, 56 playback. Fantastic. Are these all friends of Mr. Ali or Mr. We have somebody who invited his friend, his brother yesterday on here. That's how people, well, at least we are pleased by the type of impression that we leave on some traders for them to invite others. So thank you for being here. And for any questions, we have successfultradings.com. It's a full website where you can get your hand on free education on how to become a successful stock and option trader. You can leave us a message there. You can even speak with us live, but please don't do it during trading hours, because just like you, I'm busy trading. I'm trying to make that money, yeah? But outside of trading hours, yes, you can chat live with me. Yeah, trust me, it's with me, because sometimes like it's an automated thing, right? They think it's a robot. Like, are you human? I say yes. And then I give them like, oh, it is such and such time. Well, obviously a robot can know what time it is. Okay. But it's usually funny. So yeah, you use that, and otherwise you can send us an inquiry. There's a place where you can just send an inquiry. So if you like which that's happening on here, again, please don't forget to subscribe, give us like. That's the best way to support what we do on here. Until then, we wish you a great trading session. Tomorrow's Friday, folks. Tomorrow's Friday. What type of teaser could I use for tomorrow? Oh boy. Well, tomorrow, folks, typically, how do we used to call Friday? It's Fridays here. Fun Fridays. Fridays are heavenly. That's a massive payday, because on Friday, the market move, we can day trade. Yeah. So our friend Spy and our friend QQQ, they are prime candidate for us to trade them on Friday. So hopefully that's a reason for you. Same time, same guy, hopefully. And we shall do that again. Until then, bye-bye.